Hey guys, it's Z1 Chris down here in the dyno with this 2006 manual 4x4 XTERRA. And real quick, we just want to have a quick look at John's drip. Ladies and gentlemen.
Z1, baby.
It's looking good. So
works for off-road and motorsports.
It does. It's multi-purpose. So what we're going to do, John's going to pop this one on the, well, it's already on the dyno, but we're going to run a baseline stock run. This is stock as a rock. Is that right, John?
Mostly stock. I think it has a replacement motor with like 40,000 miles on it. So it's not a clapped out vehicle, but it's pretty close.
All right, so yeah, we got a lower mileage engine, 190 on the body, I think this one. And we're going to run it stock, and then I think we're going to throw on the Z1 off-road catback system. Is that correct?
Right.
So yeah, we'll see what it makes. Alrighty, so we've run the car on the dyno stock. We now have a used Z1 off-road catback. It's nothing wrong with it, it's just been on a car prior. So we're gonna pop this one on and just see straight, you know, we're on the same day here right now. We're gonna see what kind of power this will make just by bolting, nothing more than a catback. So just a series of basic tools is all that's required for this Z1 off-road catback. I believe it's a series of like 14s and I think a couple 15s. But in this car, someone's been here before. So we are going to use a couple different tools. This isn't a how-to or an install guide, so to speak, but we're just showing you the process of switching out the exhaust, which is quite easy. And also a large weight saver. Just having a look at this huge muffler here. That thing's just absolutely massive. It's taking up a lot of weight. And you know, these pipes are quite small. So really this is definitely gonna be a huge upgrade for this car. Not only is it gonna sound great, but it's gonna go great. So we're just taking off the bolts to the catalytic converter and then just removing ground wire here. Be sure to reconnect that when we put the new exhaust back on. Sound easy?
We're going to come like this, just grab the other end of that, yep.
Wow.
Easier for you. See, look at that.
All right, so we've got the front section of the exhaust on. Now we're just running through our rear section. Very, very easy, it's nice and light, and uses all the factory mounting points, so it makes it super, super simple and yeah, hassle-free. Okay, so we finished up with the exhaust. Everything is in place. We've even gone with a brand new tip for that hot boy look. Love it. But yeah, let's chuck it on the dyno. Let's see what sort of numbers she makes. All right, so we're back in the dyno room. We can have John run it up on the dyno, see what sort of numbers we can get. Alright guys, so as you can see on the chart here, the results speak for themselves. The Z1 catback definitely made an improvement. This car is still in the stock air intake, so definitely a Z1 off-road power package would really help out the car to get to those top peak numbers. But for just a catback, we're pretty happy with that one today. So thanks for sticking around. If you need any parts for your XTERRA or any Nissan off-road vehicle, head on over to z1offroad.com and check out our selection.